What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back again. No, it's been a while, guys, but been working, got a new job. I'm securing more capital and trading my little heart away, and I'm winning, baby. Yes, you heard it right. I'm trading in this bear market. That's why, I haven't really been making videos. I've been making more money to add to the trading account to keep on trading that account way up. So we're making milestones out here. And trading is really the way to be going right now because anybody trying to dollar cost down, you have been dollar costing down for a while now. And I'm happy I didn't continue to stake. I sold all my cake coin, I sold all my Algorand, I sold all my Matic, and it all went to Tether. And what do I do with that Tether? I trade the price going down, and you get nice easy wins on the Ethereum. $10 moves down shorts, especially when that's a trend, and that's what you've been seeing. So we are back to bring you Bitcoin news, Ethereum price prediction, and algo price movement action update. So we're gonna start with the king of coins, Bitcoin, and right now we are looking at a day chart. The day chart is in this descending triangle. And we might break that support, that important 30,200 level. If we break that, we're probably going to say hello to the 20Ks level. Why are we so bearish? Why are we saying that? Because you could simply just go to the week chart, because Monday started our new week. It was our new close. And right here, as you could see on the week chart, we closed well below the 50-day EMA. So we are in bearish territory. According to the EMA ribbon, we are below the EMA ribbon now, and we are in bearish territory. This is our own Chart Champions EMA ribbon. We use different numbers, different EMAs, but they work identical, and it works perfect to me. So yeah, we got a weekly close underneath the 50 EMA. That indicates that it is bearish, guys. So a lot of people always been saying, a lot of YouTubers been saying, oh, we're gonna get 100K by the end of this year. Sorry, buddy, I don't think that's happening. We have a red dot on the monthly, we have a red dot on the 2-month and 3-month. I think that 100K is not gonna come until next year, guys. It's gonna be a long winter, a long, cold Bitcoin crypto winter, a winter. But at the end, we will prevail, and we will increase our accounts if we do the smart thing. And honestly, the only people winning right now is traders, people shorting the price of cryptocurrency. Because even dollar cost averaging, yes, but like if you're gonna dollar cost average, do yourself a huge favor and only take huge, clear, oversold levels, because this has been a wild ride for everyone. But here on the Green Dot Whisperer channel, if you haven't been with me, I encourage you to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are alerted every time I make a video. Why am I saying that? Because we did call out the short. We call out in this channel, we called out the drop from 60K to 30K, and that happened the day after I made the video. So the same way we called out the drop is the same way the Green Dot Whisperer on this channel. I promise you, if you hit that subscribe and like button, I'm going to call out this bottom, and we're going to get it right, and we're going to take it to the moon. It doesn't matter how long it's going to take. It might take a few months. It might take a year. But the same way we caught the drop is the same way we're going to catch the real bottom, the real pump, the real, like, here we go. This is the second cycle. So with my ranting done now, I explained to you how the weekly chart is showing bearish, closed under the EMA ribbon. Explained to you how we're on a descending triangle that might break down, and it's going to introduce us to the 20K level. So we have to wait and see. There's going to be a lot of choppy sideways action until any of that happens. But we will, it's looking bad. There's no way. There's no other way to put it. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it for you. There's no other way. It's looking bad, guys. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna get our runs and pumps and stuff like that, but the bigger time frames are the bosses, and they're saying where it's blood season, it's blood time, it's sideways time. So yeah, the bulls are gonna have to do a lot to get us into the bullish territory again. So all right, moving on. Ethereum. The reason I bought Ethereum is, like I said, I've been trading Ethereum. It's actually my favorite coin to trade now, and been winning a lot of the trades. So it's been producing money for me. So I keep a close eye on it now. And like as I showed you on Bitcoin, we closed under the 50 EMA on the weekly. Ethereum looks a little bit more bullish. Their Ethereum chart looks way better than Bitcoin, honestly. You see how Bitcoin went under that 50? Well, Ethereum is nowhere near close to 50. But that being said, I think Ethereum could go down to the 50 and maybe have a nice little bump before rolling over again. Start rebounding at that 50-day EMA for Ethereum. And that price point, that's why I wanted to make a price prediction for Ethereum, because that 50 EMA is sitting at $1,624.05. So for me, I personally would consider that a nice, trade, a nice place to go in. Or I would say it's going to rebound when it hits that. I don't think it's going to fall straight through it. I mean, Bitcoin is through it, so Ethereum would eventually follow, I believe. But there's been cases where Ethereum is a little bit more bullish. Maybe when Ethereum gets to the 50-day EMA, that's probably when Bitcoin starts rebounding. So that makes my theory correct that Ethereum will bounce off of that 1624 and a nickel price. So that's what I'm calling out. I'm not saying it's going to bounce and go to the moon. It very well can, but I'm not saying it's going to fall through that yet. I mean, there's a lot of buyers for Ethereum. Ethereum is the king of altcoins. So now saying that, let's move down to Algorand, because I know people don't like me saying that Ethereum is the king of altcoins when we have good old Algo over here. But all right, so Algo, this is the week chart on Algo. It's under the 50-day EMA. Algorand always had a chart that followed Bitcoin pretty well, and it's because this looks exactly like the Bitcoin chart. And these are previous buys. I have lines here marked up at 81 cents. I bought some at 75. I bought some, and then they rebound above this, and I sold out and took profit. And good thing I did, because now we're sitting at 73 cents, and it's falling. It's still falling, guys. The weekly is touching the MACD on the histogram. It's gonna go through it. If it goes through it, that's 20Ks on BTC. If BTC is 20K, that's Ethereum below 1500. That's Algo in the 60s. And people said I was crazy to say that Algo's gonna go to 60 cents. I'm not crazy. It's done it before. And if we go into 20K, you might even see 50. So don't call me crazy, guys. Call me smart. So, yeah, Algorand. Let me see if I could pull out some good news for Algo, because I know nobody likes a negative Nancy, but I got to tell you the damn truth. Well, this is the day chart, which is a way smaller chart than the week chart. No green dot in sight. Actually has a lot of downward momentum, still printing. Once that thins out, then we might start thinking about a green dot, but that's not ready for a green dot yet, sadly. It's not even completely oversold on the day chart yet. So let's see if we could pull out something on the 4-hour. Same story on the 4-hour, guys. We're still going to bleed. Still going to bleed. Even these oversold territories, you got to wait till they're oversold on the day chart or above, because smaller time frames get oversold all the time, and it still doesn't rebound. And you just end up you're going to keep on buying a whole bunch of oversolds that never bounce back up. So trade carefully. Now's the time to learn how to trade. If you haven't learned how to trade, you could start by joining Chart Champions. It's free of charge. No one's selling you nothing. It's just a place where traders get together and talk about different opportunities. We talk about Forex, crypto, stocks. We do MT4 trading, everything. We are well rounded and we have wolves in that community, very knowledgeable people. So I encourage you to join. The link is in the description below. But there you have it, guys. PTC is hanging from a thread. Could see 20K very soon. Ethereum could see the price that I mentioned before on that 50-day EMA. And Algo, well, the people that were calling me crazy on Algo for the price predictions that I were putting out before, saying 60 cents and stuff like that, well, they're going to realize I'm not crazy and they're probably going to see those prices now. But I still wish everyone best of luck. Protect yourself. Don't invest money that you're going to need for future bills right away. Only invest money that you can afford to lose for a while until the market rebounds. So take care. Green Dot Whisperer out. Wishing you the best. Peace.